Hi, Sunrise Ridge. Today I'm just going to talk about our Thunderbolt time priorities. So on this form, if you were to look at it, it is located in your teacher binder. It is also available online. But as you look at this form, it shows the dates that we're going to be having our Thunderbolt time. And so for session 1, if you were in 6th grade, the priority would be science. The secondary priority would be math 6, and then language arts 6. For this first section for 7th grade, there isn't a priority, so we'll just go off of numbers and when they get stamped. If I were wanting to stamp a student, if the student got stamped for math and science, then the student would go to their science priority first. So basically, the students get a stamp, and this is where they go as the priority. For the next session, it switches, and so on as we go through the entire year, so that each team gets the opportunity to have the priority and to work with their students.